Hi, it's Steve from FirestormFitCamps.com and AMintoThePain.com. And today I want to answer a quick question. I was given a challenge by one of my colleagues, a gentleman by the name of Dax Moy. And the challenge was, what would you tell a newborn baby? And I thought about this quite a lot, and I guess the main thing that I would tell a newborn baby if I wanted to encourage them to live a really adventurous, wonderful, loving, great life would be to be nice. You know, years ago when I was a kid, I was listening to a baseball game, and the manager of the Cincinnati Reds at the time was a guy named Sparky Anderson, and he said, "It doesn't cost a dime to be nice." Yeah, I took that to heart, and it served me well over the years. In my high school year, I was voted the friendliest guy of my senior class, and being nice has just got me a lot of places in life. You know, in the Bible, in 1 Corinthians 13:13, it says, "These three things remain, faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of these is love." And you know, you can't be nice without being loving, and you can't do the loving thing without being nice. So just be nice. Be nice to people, be nice to yourself, be nice to animals. You do that and you live a pretty good life. Now you think about that.